Hichihi ninununglam channel hi nang dia pat na hi le subscribe in Vannoi Nitin Hamsetnaho phathong jang kita lang jing ding hi tuni chana Vannoi Hamsetnaho bani chan na veu ti chai chan ven ama sa pinin Philippines kam sunga tuni thil so na veu hite tuni chin tropical cyclone Philippines kam song na tong kha in puipi pupi ki thoji a konin mi somni le thumin thina atun mihi masanga za hing chen na tui na chup jin mun bit anas ki chon to owe
with many families forced to relocate to
Hichihi Italy kam sunga tuni thil so hi mong² volcano na sa thei nanum kine na hi Hichihi Colombia kam sunga tuni thil so hi tuni chanin lingki hojawa konin hodo na to chila jengin tuni chun kumthum na mai chapang khale kumsom sagi langa hen pasal kha jongan hodo owe lungdan ta kha cho hile Colombia President Pan ipi ngai to hitading ham earthquake in asu kha khopi sunga football anapidoin Hichumi pin alunghan pion school somnya lugop zen chimahin hospital care sana jonga chimhan football ipya pangding ham anatio nahi ading khachu mi zanile somko lang thia mi sangdi lang ki sukhawa tampi ke hormone alai chule ahingdo asanga zain illalo unta lo zia nela cha lhahsam ma jing cho hetai Hichihi Greece gam sunga zani thil so hi tuni chanin gam mai ka akazim na lain tu chana hi mini thina to hetai Hichihi USA gam sunga tuni thil so hi Indiana kopi sungchu huipi kopi hata jin mi sagin thina aton inelo hojong kui na chop jingen ahi
After several days of torrential rain and flash flooding inundated the state. Emergency crews conducting dozens of water rescues. At one point, at least 150,000 without power. Streets turned to rivers, roads washed away. This home in the Ravenswood neighborhood of Indianapolis completely flooded. North of Indianapolis in Noblesville, cars and buildings submerged. 170 residents forced to evacuate, many with their pets. Hundreds of homes impacted by the rising waters. The White River reaching its highest water level ever Saturday, breaking a record set in 1913. In the town of Carmel, at least 215 homes and businesses affected by flooding, 40 residents forced to evacuate. In West Virginia, roads overflowing from the torrential downpour, emergency crews racing to rescue cars stuck in the floods.
Here comes the rain sheet.
In Kentucky, shoppers pelted with rain and strong wind as they crossed the parking lot of this shopping center. And in Englewood, Colorado, a snowplow seen moving mounds of hail off the road following a severe
Hichihi India gam sunga tuni thil so hi Bihar state sunga siwa tempura lai ho nakina para electric wire hong khila akun mi pi gi chati jana che chaw gamu ahin mi sagi thilo on chule adang tampi akisukha on hospital akiloduwe Hichi India gam sunga tuni thil so hi West Bengal hotel khatmei na kai mi git thi hola mi nga ho hi Karo Hills Meghalaya cheng hiuwe amo hi lai ho na kina kal som hi dan hiuwin mei hi electrics para kon hung kada na hin Meghalaya chief minister pan alung hetna na phom do in West Bengal tu nei wai hamo to akitu khom dan jong ase Hichi India gam sung West Bengal state sunga zani thil so hi mun chip na sta anomen bikers khanin thi le hin din mun anomen wang phat pin ana so sai Hichi hi South Korea gam sunga tuni thil so hi gam sung go ha zo jin tui an leinin mun chim jin mi khat athin adang mi ni akisukalone Ichi Europe gam sunga Belgium gam Meika tuni thil so hi wang phat pi in nililang gam Meika ahin bui pi jing lion tuni chon go na zo in ahi Ichi hi Venezuela gam sunga zani thil so hi gam sung go hazo jin tui in a lenin hoki sung lampi ho ana chobin lui ding ho ale than nunga chapong ni in thina tol khane tui in na hlo ron da na hin athilong hon el sinai alia cheng hon ana mu do oi Ichi hi Dominican Republic gam sunga tuni thil so hi thaupu gari khalle kal khato gari nyaw ka ani kita tu da no hin thaupu gari pu ke jin mi ni athin adang tampi ki su khawe Ichi India gam sung Rajasthan State na tuni thil so hi 50 crore na ki sa lei khat lakhat wal panin abang ho ana chim thana thi mang wang anom poi achai na langin gala tul chung chang wanloi hui na dan ho na biao hite China le Taiwan ki ka tension asang che in Taiwan ten China te chu Iran ten Strait of Hormuz a control dano style allow we bin ngona anei o nei asi chu Taiwan vial la adung hi China ten na sata control jingu ahi heading khat chu Iran ten Vannoi apoi mo ta thau a supply bangoma Taiwan nin jong Vannoi technology khan tau na kip kimang cha semiconductor gam sunga kon Vannoi a supply wa hi
Economics did a model which estimated over $10 trillion in global economic losses if a conflict over the Taiwan Strait should occur.
Ichi hi US desert fighter in US la Iran den chana san lai ta night operation anabol patcho hi achai na in North Korea te dinga good news hong hiwa tan tin tunai cha US le South Korea in joint military exercise anabol chu North Korea in nuclear war anagi izawin tunin US President Trump in ichi joint exercise hi expenditure alinin suhlom jap din anapong do inahi South Korea te hi US allies phata ahiwanga tu chunga Iran gala panala loji ule akham khama North Korean lam kai pu to personal relationship anaisia phindo loading ti agui dan hele kilomina hi alang khana North Korea te China le Russia to ki kui job naw le ki thu khop naw asang che in galpi adin na satai na ki ko jinge achai chan ve jouse chule lai le she bo jouse chunga ke pa tho kain se je pathinin eveng bijing taw han